So you manifest money by changing your thoughts, your feelings, your belief. Manifestation starts from the inside and then projects out. Hello and welcome to video number 1 on the Manifest Money with the Universe series. And today we'll be talking about the law of manifestation. In this video, we're going to learn what the law of manifestation is, how to apply it to realize situations, and I'm going to provide you with a technique in order for you to get into the vibration of the law of manifestation. So as always, if you want to ride with me within my M3 community, where we align our thoughts and our actions to become financially free within this series, I have provided you with a 20-page digital download workbook that gives you a deeper dive in the understanding of the law of manifestation. It will provide you journal prompts and affirmations and techniques that you could use to shift your energy in alignment of attracting money. This workbook at a very low price, it's $7.77. I know it's going to transform your life because I've been using it for the past week, testing it out on myself, my friends. They have started to aligning to money and have been flowing to them and opportunities. So go ahead and download it and let's get into the video. The law of manifestation says whatever you consistently focus on will become your physical reality. So whether you like it or not, everything that you see in your bank account is a result of a past thought and energy of how you feel about money. You can take a quick minute and just analyze your finances and your situation in terms of your debt. This will determine how you feel about money. If it's not aligning into where you want to be, you need to simply shift those beliefs, shift those thoughts, shift that energy in order to attract money. Neville Goddard summed up the law of attraction by saying, change your concept of yourself and you will automatically change the world in which you live. He also taught that your outer world is the reflection of your inner concept. If you believe you're broke, unsupported, and unlucky, you'll continue to attract the circumstances that mirror that belief. Even if you think that money is hard to get, guess what? Money will be hard to obtain. But here's the power, here's the magic. Aligning with the universe is that you could change your story and you will change your outcome. The law of manifestation is always working, just like gravity. You don't have to believe in it for it to affect you. We are constantly using the laws based upon our thoughts, feelings, and emotion. It is running on autopilot. Whatever you're thinking about will automatically become into your reality. Therefore, you need to be conscious and be aware of the thoughts that you're sending out into the universe. When you shift your focus and start thinking, money flows to me easily. I always find a way. I am supported by money. Your vibration changes, and now you're at the match of abundance. Let me bring this home and give you a real life example. Say you're at the grocery store comparing prices and putting things back, thinking, oh, I don't have enough. I hate money. I never have enough to buy what I want. You are portraying the energy of lack. Now imagine a different moment. You're at a store. You see something your kids would love or something you would love. Instead of going in to the state of, oh, I don't have this, I can't afford it, take a moment, pause. Instead of stressing about what you don't have, try saying, money is always circling to me. Money is always attracting to us. Go ahead and buy it with gratitude. And when you buy that item with conviction, power, grace, and knowing that money is continuing to circulate to you, your energy changes. Your body relaxes. That's attraction in action. Oh, I like that. Attraction in action. Oh, I like that. That's attraction in action. You're not forcing anything, you're simply aligning to the law of manifestation. Thinking of your desires keeps your desires in a distance. Thinking from your desires brings it into your reality. Even if you think about your desire for 68 seconds. And this brings us into the technique. This is one of my go-to techniques, and there's other techniques as you could shift your vibe, and you could go ahead and find out what those vibes are when you download my book that allows you to really dive deeper in these laws. So this 68-second rule is from Esther and Jerry Hicks, who channel the Abrahams, who's a group of non-physical beings. For example, you want to manifest $1,000 by divine grace for bills, groceries, or even a small vacation. Once you send your manifestation out into the universe, you're not concerned of how or when it's going to happen. You just affirm that it's going to happen because you did it. You got to get strong-minded in your head. This is something you have to practice daily, sometimes even hourly, if you want to manifest money. Set your timer for 68 seconds. You want to be able to close your eyes and visualize that you're receiving that $1,000. You want to feel the relief. You want to feel the joy. You want to feel the security. You want to imagine as clear as possible checking your account and seeing the money in there. Taking consideration how the screen looks, the banner of the banking institution, your account numbers. Now that you have opened your bank account and you see $1,000 deposited in your account, and you just feel that joy, that happiness, that security, that relief, that gratitude, you smiling, you thanking God, then you can imagine paying bills with them, or booking a hotel, or smiling with peace and ease, knowing that you have received that $1,000. Let yourself feel the emotions. So make sure within this 68 seconds of visualization, you feel all the emotions, you feel all the joy, you feel all the gratitude. And before your timer runs up, you thank money and you thank the universe for bringing your desires into this reality. Don't you dare dilute it with fear afterwards. Repeat this daily or as often as you want to build momentum. Manifestation is not luck. It's the law of the universe. You're already manifesting your life every single day. Now, let's manifest money with a purpose. Up next, the law of magnetism. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.